Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust your Ethereum gas fees. I'm gonna do this in my Metamask wallet, but these are the same steps for every wallet. So stay tuned. Welcome to the Crypto Mining Channel, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. If you like making money, make sure to press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out the ultimate crypto guide, which I created for you to navigate through the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Because I know you're a money maker, I even added a free crypto kit, which will make you hundreds of dollars worth of free cryptocurrency. For example, I want to withdraw 1 Ethereum. I press confirm, waiting for Metamask. Insufficient funds. Gas fee, half an Ethereum. Well, I'm not gonna do it. So you click on edit and here you see slow, average or fast. Slow is half an Ethereum, fast is 0.63 Ethereum. I'm not gonna do that as well. Transaction fee, half an Ethereum, $969 currently. I don't think so. All right, so what are we gonna do? The minimum gas limit you have to put is 21,000. This is the absolute minimum. Up, we already see. Now I only have to pay $6.82. But it's not finished yet. There is a cool website, ethereumgasstation.info. I give more information about this website in this video. So here you can check the TX calculator. So gas use 21,000. And let's see if we only pay 50 GUI, how long it will take. So meantime to confirm, 277 blocks. Average confirmation for Ethereum to confirm one block is around 15 seconds, maybe 17 seconds. So 17 times 277 is 4,709. But meantime to confirm, let's say around 3,661 between this number and this number. Transaction fee 0.001 Ethereum. So that's even less than 1/3 of this. So you can adjust the gas price as well, but the lower you put the gas price, the longer your transaction will take to arrive. So if you need your Ethereum fast, well, then you can check here as well. For example, 400 gas price. It will take you around 26 seconds, but if you can wait a little bit longer, well, you can check a little bit here. So for 100 GUI, it's 3,660 seconds. Divided by 60 seconds is 61 minutes. So it will take 61 minutes if you can wait 1 hour. So for 200 GUI, it's 113 seconds. You can also choose a gas price like fastest 234 GUI, fast 234 GUI, average and cheap. But we're gonna do it even cheaper. So we know that it's the same for 50 or 100, but the price for 100 is a little bit more, is double than that of 50. So you can choose 50 here as well. Extremely low, yes, but it will work. Of course, don't put 0, guys. Don't put 0, or 10 is like really, really low. But anyway, if you have time, you can do it. So I'm gonna input, because I'm playing with 1 Ethereum, I'm not gonna take any chances because I'm sending 1 Ethereum. So I'm just gonna input 150 or 172. It will cost me a little bit more. If you input 50, it will cost you only $1.79. But let's not be cheap. For 1 Ethereum, 150, and then you save it. You enter the gas price you want, you press save, and boom, confirm. So waiting for Metamask for the transaction confirmations. Please authorize via Metamask. So you can go back to Metamask and there you can see your activity, and I can see it right here. You can click here and these are all the details. This is your TX. If you want to check this transaction in more detail, I made an entire video about it, how you can check your Ethereum transaction in detail. You can check that video out right on top of the screen. And that's how easy it is, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if it was of value to you, I appreciate you dropping me a like. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Of course, don't forget to read the video description for more interesting information and links. And of course, subscribe to the crypto mining channel for more of these crypto tutorials, but especially for money making tips. I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye. Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.